Welcome to this explainer. Let's explore how neuroscience and sound actually team up to boost your personal productivity.
So can sound activate a sharper mind? We're going to see how this totally beats traditional methods for mental clarity.
It all starts with BDNF. That's the crucial protein enhancing your learning, focus, and overall brain wellness.
Literally think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It grows those new neural connections essential for mental health.
Now, gamma brain waves are those high-frequency states giving you peak concentration, rapid problem-solving, and elevated mental performance. Recent research suggests these gamma frequencies actually stimulate that vital BDNF activity, directly enhancing learning and focus.
Programs like the Brain Song use advanced audio patterns to gently guide your brain into those optimal gamma frequencies.
Forget lengthy meditations. This is just a simple 12-minute daily audio routine perfectly designed for your busy workday.
Users report amazing results adding 3 simple steps to their morning routine. Sit comfortably, hit play, and focus.
Delivered digitally straight to your phone, it's super easy to integrate right into your daily personal productivity goals.
This awesome digital audio tool is priced at just $39, making it completely accessible for everyday users.
So, could a simple 12-minute daily soundscape literally be the missing key to unlocking your brain's full potential?